Audi vehicles are engineered for efficiency as well as precision and performance, and efficiency goes beyond just saving fuel. It's about helping improve the environment while creating a better driving experience for Audi owners. Part of that efficiency is achieved with the advanced Start-Stop feature that turns the engine off when the vehicle comes to a stop and starts it automatically before you need to accelerate, improving fuel economy and providing exceptional quiet when your vehicle would otherwise be idling. Audi's Start-Stop technology may be new to you, but its benefits in fuel economy will be worth a few days of trying it out in varying driving conditions. The factory default setting for the Start-Stop system is on. However, your dealer may have turned the system off at delivery. It can be activated by pressing the switch just below the MMI display. When the light is off, the system is on, and vice versa, and will stay in that mode until the switch is depressed again. For Start-Stop to activate while driving, some conditions must be met. Your seatbelt must be on with the door closed, and certain vehicle systems must fall within a specified range, such as engine temperature, air conditioning, or heater operation. Your owner's manual covers the complete details. Once Start-Stop is engaged and the preconditions are met, anytime the vehicle comes to a full stop with the brake pedal firmly and continuously depressed, the engine will shut off. A green indicator will appear in the display, telling you the engine has turned off. If conditions do not allow the system to engage, the indicator will not illuminate and will have a diagonal line through it. Some conditions may cause the engine to remain running. For instance, if the vehicle has not been driven more than 2 miles per hour between stops, such as in stop-and-go driving, the engine will remain on to prevent excessive restarts, while providing a more pleasant driving experience. On hot or cold days with the air conditioning or heater on, the engine will likely remain running to maintain a comfortable cabin temperature. Similarly, if the engine is stopped for a fairly long period, it may restart to maintain the battery voltage necessary to power vehicle components. Engine restart is smooth and nearly instantaneous when the driver's foot is lifted from the brake or the steering wheel is turned. With practice, the Start-Stop system can be engaged or turned off with varying amounts of brake pressure to suit specific driving situations. The Start-Stop system features a high-performance starter and more robust battery, built to withstand the demands of more frequent starting. The Start-Stop system also includes a built-in safety feature, which automatically shuts off the vehicle ignition anytime Start-Stop has shut off the engine and the driver unfastens the seatbelt or opens the driver door. This feature is designed to prevent the engine from restarting if the driver has exited the vehicle. If you want the engine to remain on when you're briefly away from the vehicle, simply turn the Start-Stop system off and place the vehicle in park. With the Start-Stop feature on your Audi, you can be assured of driving a precision-engineered vehicle that not only delivers an exhilarating driving experience, but also saves fuel while providing added cabin tranquility when a running engine is not needed.